Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code to the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a promo code. Maybe you received one from work, or maybe you received one via email. How do you actually go ahead and add a promo code to the Uber app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then scroll down, and underneath where it says Promotions, click on Add Promo Code. So this is where you can actually go ahead and add an offer code, and you can see select offers that are here as well. So click on Add Offer Code, add the code here, and then click on Add Offer. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an offer code to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.